Healthy, fit and fearless over 50. Today we're going to do an upper body workout with weights, and our weights are water bottles, 1 pound each, so some resistance. If you want to use dumbbells, go ahead. If you can't, if this is even too heavy, don't worry about it. What we're going to do is an exercise. We're going to repeat it 3 times. We should take about 10 to 12 minutes for this workout. We're going to start off with the basic, which is a bicep curl. Walk your elbows to your side and just bring those up to your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're not using momentum, so half the thing is going down slowly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to rest for not quite 30 seconds. Like I said, if the water bottle's too heavy for you, do it without it. If this is too light and you want something heavier, use some dumbbells. It's the exact same thing. But this is more for beginners and opening resistance training. All right, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Remember, keep those elbows locked. We're not going to use, you're not going to do anything like that. That's not going to do much work. Form is important, but right now let's concentrate more on mobility. But for this, keep your elbows in. Let's do it one more time. Sorry, I'm rambling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. We've got our first set down, our first complete exercise down. Remember, a water bottle weighs, a 16-ounce water bottle weighs 1 pound. All right, next one we're going to do, that worked on our biceps. Now let's work a little bit on our lower back. We're going to do bent over rows. Bend your knees slightly, bend down, keep your back straight, bend down as far as you can. Drop your water bottles and just pull them up to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For those of you that's too difficult, just do an upright row. Just stand up straight and do this. It still works a little bit of the back, just not as deep. For those of you that can, let's do the bent over rows. All right. Knees slightly bent, bend over, back straight, drop them down, pull to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you need a longer rest period between them, feel free to pause it. I'm going to show this to you from the front this time, just so you can see how the arms go up. Also, when you bring them up, try to remember to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Try. All right. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's get ready to do an overhead press, and it's just what it sounds like. Put your water bottles here and just press them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can even feel my blood pumping. All right. Hungry. All right, let's do another set of overhead presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like I said, if the rest period's not long enough, please pause it. All right, last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gets that blood flowing, doesn't it? Did mine. All right, now we're going to do some bent arm chest flies. Arms bent together and pull apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really opens you up. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling this. Just some water bottles. All right. Show you from the side this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to do some lateral front raises. You're going to do one arm goes this way, one arm goes this way. Then you switch. All right, so you go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. That one was pretty tough. Do as slow as you can. Trying to get through 10 minutes, and I think I'm right at the 10-minute mark right now. This is going to be our last set, but just remember, keep the movement. We want to keep our body moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one's gotten to me. I'm hoping it's because of the rest time in between. All right, last set, guys. We got this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Oh, well, thank you guys. Go relax those arms now. Mine are beat. So click subscribe and follow along. I try to update 3 new exercises per week, sometimes a little bit more. Thank you. Have a great day.